everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. Okay, so we finally reached door number 24 on the Tea Light and Votive Candle Set Advent Calendar by Starlights. And we've got a Christmas Wishes, oh that smells nice, cinnamon spice candle. There we are. That smells lovely. So that can now go in the bin. And our Q-Kai one, it's right over here. Oh, we've got another eyeshadow quad. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Look at the sparkle on that black one. Beautiful. That's it. We can now dispose of this one. I don't know where that little brush came from that we found in one of the other doors, but we haven't found anything else to go with it. So that one can now go in the bin as well. So that's the end of our calendars. Today I'm just going to do a few items that I've purchased for review. I'll say that again, I've purchased for review in the new year that I thought might interest you. So we've got the beautiful Build a Bouquet kit by Craftwork Cards, 294 die cut elements, 1 plasma template. So we're going to give that a go in the new year. And then we've got this one, which is by Creative Card Company. And this is 6 white cards, 6 white envelopes, assortment of glitter and foil die cut embellishments, assortment of glitter numbers, greetings and instructions. So we'll make a card out of that pack. And then we've got Art Deco Roaring 20s by Doe Crafts Paper Mania. A5 foil decoupage card kit. So we'll have a look at that and we'll do a card from that kit. Then we've got Doe Crafts Paper Mania again, A5 decoupage kit. Includes 1 printed card, an expandable envelope, 2 die cut sheets and 1 printed paper. Okay, Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin. 16 scene images, 8 card blanks, 24 foiled sentiments, 54 foiled die cut pieces, 8 die cut window frames, plus sequins, acetate and foam strips. 78 pieces. Now I picked these up all cheap on eBay. I just thought we'd have a go at them in the new year. Silver foil engraving art by Royal and Langanickle. 6 blank boards. We'll see what we can create with that. DIY card making kit by Ackerman Group. Doesn't say what's in it, but looks like there's a fair bit. We'll make a card out of that. Do-it-yourself cards. 5 blank cards, 5 envelopes, 5 assorted decorations. It doesn't say who it's by. Just says made in Indonesia. Do-it-yourself cards. We'll make one out of that pack. Pleated Spine album kit. That could be an interesting one. We'll have a go at that. It's got instructions in it as well, so that could be interesting. And then finally we've got a card making kit, 5 blank cards, 5 blank envelopes, 5 sets of accessories. Doesn't say who it's by, but look at those flowers there. Those paper flowers, they're pretty. So we'll make a card with those as well. So I just thought I'd give you an idea of what's coming up in the new year. And obviously I'll have videos in between of different projects. Yeah, these type of kits, I mean, they're only a couple of quid and you can pick them up on eBay, Amazon, And they make a nice gift for somebody who's a crafter. Maybe for next year though now, because it's a bit late. Okay. Well, there we are. Hope you look forward to those. I want to thank you all, as I do in every video, for subscribing and for liking, your continued support. Leave any comments down below if you want me to answer anything. I'll try my best. And I'll see you on the next one.